after completing every session, every subject, I would say, when that has been completed, we have been given assignments.
Right.
And whenever we are stuck, the support and I would say the trainers were really helpful.
Hi, Mr. Kuldeep. Thanks again. You can go ahead and introduce yourself. You can also talk about your profile and the background that you carry.
So basically, if I come to myself, so I have around 13 years of IT experience. And I am mostly into. I worked mostly into the automation with the help of Linux and scripting like Perl, Python, and others. The IT has been changed upside down, right? The whole pattern has been changed. So I really interested to move my career towards DevOps. And that's how I got to know, I started searching about that, how I can move my career towards DevOps.
But I would like to ask you, since you have experienced our training front hand, so you can gladly and honestly go ahead and tell me whether you have ever, felt that, there is a need of this classroom training instead of virtual sessions, because we want you to come up with that experience of yours.
Sure. So first of all, we have to make ourselves comfortable now as per the current circumstances that the virtual way of learning is the best way. True. And it is the safest way. So when I started taking training from Intellipaat, I never felt like I am disconnected and I'm not into in any physical classroom. Okay, so it was very interactive sessions, I would say, that trainers, whatever they are training, it's not a very monotonous kind of a training that one person is talking and we are just listening and we are yawning, right? So it was more of very interactive. The trainers certainly they will ask some question out of their content, what they have discussed. True. And then you are on the hot seat to answer that question. So we have to be very attentive. So that's a very tricky thing which Intellipaat trainers are using, and that's very useful as well. So this continuous evaluation of us, this made us so comfortable that we never felt that we are doing a virtual class session.
That's really amazing of you to come up with such kind words about us and our trainers. So far that you could able to experience most of our aspects of training. So what do you say about it? Is it really worth it joining in with Intellipaat?
Yeah, definitely. It is more than worth, I would say, and it is value for money at the same time. And the reason being is that even if we are very motivated to do self-learning and all, but that doesn't go beyond 7 days or 10 days of time, right?
True. So you need somebody to
push. You need some push, and since I have joined this long-term course, it was a continuous push on me, right? So we all are working professionals. We know the value of adding a skill set on our CV. And how it impacts when we move or when we switch our job to another job. So it's for me, it's complete worth.
Absolutely. That is more than enough, I think.
Which I've spent, I feel that it has given me a value back.
And thanks again. And I really hope that you have all the things that you dream of, and also all the very best for your future endeavors as well.